Watching an eclipse without glasses, requires caution, as directly observing the sun can cause serious eye damage. However, there are safe methods to view, the event indirectly, so without exposing your eyes to the harmful sunlight. One popular method is by using a pinhole projector. A pinhole projector. This simple device can be made by looking into a small hole or a piece of cardboard paper. So when the sunlight passes through the hole, it produces an image of the sun onto the flat surface, such as another sheet of paper. And this allows you to safely observe the eclipse without directly looking at the sun. Another option is using a tree's leaves to create a natural pinhole effect. All right, stand under a leafy tree, and you're going to notice small crescent-shaped images of the sun on the ground as sunlight filters through the gaps in the leaves. This provides a unique, safe way to witness the eclipse's progress. You can also use a colander or any object with small holes to project the image of the sun onto a flat surface. These methods allow you to safely enjoy the celestial event without the need for eclipse glasses, ensuring that your eyes remain protected throughout the experience. Let me know if this helped you out.